the very last step to this container is really taking time to clean the edges and adding a finish. So you've used a lot of slip, you've been messing with it a lot, so just going around every edge and smoothing it out, making sure it looks nice is really going to add to your container. One thing I love to say is the more love and care you put into a piece, the better it looks. That's why you learn a lot of patience working with clay as well. So really, this is the moment where you do that. You're just cleaning it up, smoothing it out, making sure it looks nice, using the metal tool and making sure it's clean, and smoothing any sides you wanted perfectly smooth. You can do that as well. Makes it look really, really nice. So if you notice that some of your texture or your pattern or whatever has kind of disappeared, this is also the time to make it look nice once you smooth out all the edges that you wanted smooth. Now I'm just going to grab that lace again and just lightly press it in to the areas that I've kind of lost that texture and lost that pattern. And I'm just going to pretty much do this on every side because I've noticed that smoothing out the corners have kind of taken away that pattern a little bit. Be very dainty and light. Be very careful with your piece at this point. There we go. Just smooth it in there. Bring it back a little bit. Some of you may not even have to do this because of what your texture is, and that's fine. Really just this is the stage to make sure this is what you want it to look like and this is how it's going to look like, and you're okay with that. So this is where it's really going to help with craftsmanship in your grade. When you are completely done making sure all your edges look exactly how you want to have them look, you are going to make sure to put your name legibly on the bottom. I'm going to say that again. Make sure you put your name legibly in the bottom because these all are the same shape, so I don't want you to lose your container in any way. So to do that, what you're going to do is grab your needlepoint tool, and remember, you don't want to dig too deep because you may puncture through. You're going to write your name using your needlepoint tool on the bottom, and then your piece is ready to dry. So when you want your piece to dry, you are going to lightly put a bag over it until it goes bone dry, which the clay will look completely white. So the remainder clay, remember to save that because you can use it again. I'm going to show you how to write your name on the bottom. And again, don't forget to drape a bag lightly over it till it dries to bone dry.